The district recently completed the project here at S551 at the Lake Tarpon Canal in Pinellas County. We've installed a cathodic protection system. It's a proven technique, but it's the first time that we've used this technique here at the district. These encapsulated zinc anodes are designed to be the point of corrosion. I'm Sammy Huey. I'm a senior professional engineer at the Southwest Florida Water Management District. The S551 water control structure was completed in the 1970s. The purpose of this structure really is to provide protection from saltwater intrusion, provide ecological benefits to the freshwater system in Lake Tarpon, and also provide flood relief in Lake Tarpon. Over time, salt water has penetrated through the concrete, causing corrosion of the steel rebar. With this project, we will be implementing a cathodic protection system by installing magnesium and zinc anodes onto the outside and inside of the structure. It's called a sacrificial system, meaning the anode will sacrifice itself to protect the steel rebar inside of the concrete of the structure. Let me explain how cathodic protection works. Salt water passing through the concrete structure causes corrosion, more commonly known as rusting, to the steel reinforcement. The corrosion weakens and expands the steel reinforcement, causing the concrete to crack, which ultimately leads to issues with the durability of the concrete. To stop the corrosion, we have installed a series of anodes, in this case zinc and magnesium metal, which are connected to the steel reinforcement. With the sacrificial anodes installed, the electric current that is naturally created from the salt water and metal interaction will cause the anodes to decay while protecting the steel reinforcement from further corrosion. Essentially, we are sacrificing the anodes that we put in place and prolonging the life of the structure. There were multiple types of anodes that we used on this project. There's what we call the discrete anodes, and those are entrenched within the concrete. There's also what we call the bulk anodes. The bulk anodes are designed to be at the water level or below, and those will also sacrifice themselves in place of the steel rebar. From a construction standpoint, we have been very successful. We are satisfied with the work that we've done here, and I think this project is going to go a long way to help extend the life of the structure.